I know my personality. It's not like you don't know me and then all of a sudden I go tell me. Me not get up and face there and disrespectful, you know. Me one nice woman, you know. But say my son I try.
Yeah man, bless up everybody on a Sunday evening or anytime you check out that video. You don't know the lady gangster, you see it, queen, you don't know, say she went hide under some bush where there. She just wanna have some enjoy herself, you see it. You don't know her house gone and thing, you see it. So she you lick out on the people where I say she crazy, never lazy, you see it. And I said John was star, she hurt, yes, and she brave to come out and talk, say she brave. And no for no do that, you see it. Yeah man, and you don't know she die a burn a fire upon the fans them still, you see it. You don't know say she a go through a little thing, doing a look like my forward back and thing. She die a talk about a whole heap of things see. Yeah man, so you have to just go and kick back and just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe it if you're new around here. And if it's a returning viewers, you don't know me, I go say like up the video and drop a comment before you go. You see it, up top, big up on yourself.
Defeat me. So wait there, me put yeah, man, remember, I have 5 pitney. I give one man 5. Me name them 22 years. Uno can type. Who this I call me? Them don't see some of the family like. Uno can type. And sit down and laugh after me and break me. Uno idiot? Me stand up and see my man 2000 Friday 13. Uno can type and laugh after me. Uno idiot? Uno need to come over my podcast. Let me speak to you. I'm telling you over again. 5 kids. Decline a man in a similar department for one hour, call man department something. 5 pitney, 1 pitney pupa, 22 blood is that the man there. And see me ears after. I'm just boring. I don't know if I start out in a life. I don't know if I talk out loud and say, you know, I'm hurt about something. You know, I'm gutted and cut up about something. You know, say somebody dump me. You know, say somebody treat my body. I like it. You know, say somebody treat me half full because I'm living in denial. And because they say me come out and say, I don't. And I think I Jerusalem, we look good now. Why? Jesus. No man. I saw. Only that said, shouldn't run my neck and cast me. Choke me, carry me, and tell me, something to me. So all the blood my ears and people are trouble me and I defend myself. I still don't wait for nobody to defend me. I still don't wait for nobody to defend me. Lord, me no Mr. D. Alone, man. No. That's why I talk to no good and nice now. I see the popcorn. You see the popcorn now. Why am I saying popcorn though? Popcorn may I get a Grammy same time. Nominated. And Queen Lady Gangster now is nominated. So yes, Kaya bless Queen Lady Gangster up like heaven. You and Popcorn is nominated. So, as I was saying, so realistically, I have so much different categories, so much different talent, so much different work. I've got so much different experience. And if you know about me, understand? It's not just about to type and laugh about me and make me for macro, because really, in a phone eyes, me a macro, but in my eyes, me is a great lady who is teaching the world to be strong and to make the world know, so it's when you have downfall and defeat and when you get dumped, you can get up and brush off. Uno can't sit down and clap me and try flap me and flap. You know why? Uno live in a denial. It's enough for uno to discriminate me and laugh after me and jeer me. Mark my word today, dear. Uno gotta live to see the table turn and something gotta hit on them, and I wish nobody know. Just the way life is. Just life in a whole. I'm not saying anyone in specific. I'm just telling you life. So I'm not gonna sit down. Queenie, look out. Top going like what? Let me hear what I just said. I need to see something now. Stop going like. When I eat the Sunday dinner, I just like, hey, me not lie still, me not lie. You know, when I look a movie, and I watch a movie, no matter what I sit down and say I got happen, I can't change what in there, don't it? When I cannot change what in there and I have to stick to. You cannot quick for condemn me. I say, when I see myself and I need the little green bush with the little something, I say, the orthodox, in a quarantine, I do double tap. Right up at King's Cross and them to the me and myself, I'm in a busy little world and the world is when Jesus say yes, nobody can say nobody. So I'm humble, I'm a run quarantine. The whole of it me take off. The quarantine me take off. Me, right now I may have the most meme in the world. But if y'all pay me for them. You hear that? Meme on top of meme. So, as me say, but I can't just talk it. If you want more, where is it talk up the thing there? Yeah, man, I got a podcast out my thing them for real, man. So, me I get menopause. All menopause me have to talk about. All of them natural things there. A lot of people afraid and shame for talk about them. So that's the use of me I put to myself. You understand? When my picture them pretty and nice and my face I blush, me not see them I circle around the place, you know. I say, look how Queenie look beautiful, you know. Me just be a distress picture when my distress. I said, Jesus Christ, see that she get mad for no. See that no, she gone to the dogs. No, I'm sweet. You know, I'm nice, I'm lovely, I'm beautiful, and I'm positive. And so you're positive and can't take losing are the wickedest thing. Nobody know where tomorrow go be. Me never know my daughter go dead. Feel like how me never know me not go have no. That's the life go. Yes! And if you beat up your chest about it, it's not going to be any better. So you just have to say, it's alright, Queenie. You can't change her. Queenie, you're nice. Don't pay there's no buying it. And that me using it. Why do you think so? Look how me look pretty and nice. Even though me I sweat, natural. All them little things there. Every natural thing. Me see one woman I cuss and say, oh, me not look good. If me look good is a problem. If I don't look good is a problem. But me look how me I look. You understand? What? You alright? Segment. See me with the back to the now. Oh, this is the kind of video I catch me. But no, lie Queenie. She messaged WhatsApp me, and the way she WhatsApp me is like she never speak to me like that. So me ring her, cause she sent me a sweet WhatsApp. So me ring her. She say, alright, mommy. Me say yes. She say, you see the video where I go on with it now, LiQWYD. So me say, what kind of video? She could even tell me. She say, I love myself. She said, me gonna send it to you. You said, I watch a video. I want my fans to meet, you know. That's why I'm telling them, I do the podcast, no man, enough to listen, you know. Listen. So me go Ben Cross to return something this Thursday evening. And when I go Ben Cross, as I'm going to Victoria's Secret, I'm going to Top Shop. I see the security them in them. I'm going to Victoria's Secret. I see 8 security. So I say, you know what? So true, me know me did ban from Ben Cross, but me left. But true, I thief me exchange thing. Cut long story short. Left Ben Cross now and drive go Stratford. No, take the train go Stratford. Because I still want to go X-train. The thing then come me determined in it. So because I take the train out, when you take the train go Stratford, you have to walk past Clinton's. Remember, I don't go for go to Clinton's something, you know, I just a window shopping, you know, because I go for go return, exchange my thing them to pick up what I want. So I'm looking at Clinton now. I see the black girl. I say, oh my God, Lady Gangsta, I'm your biggest fan, I love you. And the excitement. So you know me get carried away now. I say, what? Fun the work here? Me a married train. It's up on YouTube. I bear this girl up on YouTube with me. Anyway, so that's the Thursday now. So I'm going to put the 3 candle in my bag, gone about the business. So this on the Sunday now, I'm going to know say gone, pass. Sorry. So when the girl send me the video, I'm see it now. I just screenshot the girl where in the video we're working at the store where as she called to me and just put her up on my page and I clash she the can that store. I say girl, if you never